What's up, guys? Dr. Aaron McElwain here with Revival Performance Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the proper way to do a hip thrust with this awesome BC Strength hip thruster machine. So, love this thing, probably one of my favorite things in the clinic because it really helps us teach people how to not use their back when they're doing it off of a bench or something. Not wrong, most people only have access to that, that's fine, but this swivels with your back to make sure you're not arching and tucking your tail too much, and you can really stabilize that core and move as one unit through the spine. So what you're gonna do, if you need to, you can grab the padding here for your hips. Most people do want that, especially as you get heavier. It's a little too heavy on the hips and doesn't feel so good. Bring your feet pretty close to you there, and then brace the heck out of the core. Get as much pressure on the back as you can get there, and then your hip hinging upward, and then holding it right there, and then controlling it back down. So the things we don't want to see is this lifting. So if I put my fingers kind of here, I don't feel that this is opening up at all. So if it do it wrong for this next one, where you kind of arch your back at the top, see how that's really opening up there? That's a lot of back, not as much hips. So that with time will put some pressure on your back and not feel so hot. So there is a time to do any of the things I'm saying not to do, but for the most part, we want to work the glutes and stabilize the back so that you're pretty much just getting the hip hinge and controlling that all the way. You really want to fire up those glutes and not just get the hip extensors, which is mostly what this is doing, which is the main glute muscles. Throw a band, a hip circle around the knees here, and then that's going to get some hip external rotation and abduction. Basically hit every little butt muscle back there and really give you that glute. It's firing up. So now those glutes are really turned on. Your core is super stable. Hinge up, and then as you come down, you're hinging down. So you're not moving just through the back at all, you're moving purely through the hips. So hinging up, every bit that the hips go up, this rotates. Hold up, and back down. There you go, perfect. So she's doing good, her butts are on fire. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have fun.